Okay, I just want to give a little update on Sofi today. I've done videos the last 2 nights, and my opinion changed yesterday. Um, I figured this was the bottom after going through the chart. This is the first wave, and then I thought we were going to do this was the second wave, and then this was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 was going to be up here around like 14 or so. I called the top right here around 1340, but I didn't think this would break through the 0.38 fib, which it did, which changed my opinion on the whole chart. And after looking at it again, I think we did a 1, A, B, and we're getting ready to do a flat, which would bring it down to the low 11s. Well, sure enough, after yesterday's move to a 1, we did get a move up, which I expected. This is the C move, 1, and we got our second move right here, second wave, and then right around in this area, actually a little bit earlier than that, I did it around 1280, 1290. I started buying puts. I went with the $13 puts for February 25th. I added some around 13. It ran pretty high. It ran all the way to 1325. Looked really strong. And if it would have broken this high right here, it would have completely changed my thesis. I would have gotten rid of my puts, but it did not. I held on to them, and I ended up making pretty good money selling around the lows here today. But this move is not finished yet, so we're just getting started on the third wave. If I go down to the lower time frames, you can see we went 1, 2, we're at 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting a bounce early next week, maybe to, let's see, 1250, maybe 1260, and then we're going to go down to the low 12s after that. So we're going to go, we'll probably go down to about 12 bucks for this third wave. So I'm going to put this down here. And so you can see this is turning into a flat because we had A, B, and C. We're going to go down to 12 right here. And then we'll probably bounce. I'm sorry, this has got to be here. This is just the third wave. So third, we'll probably bounce to whatever fib that is. Let's see. Wrong one. We will bounce 1220 to 1230. And then I would expect, based off the price movement so far, that we're looking at 1150. So originally I thought I was going to be low 11s. 1150 is definitely possible. It could go all the way down to 1140. That's just a guess off the top of my head based on the chart as it is right now. So I guess the update was basically to say this flat is definitely very in play and probably the most likely scenario going into next week. So I would look out for some dips. Probably got another dollar in dips. But after that, that should be the bottom because that will take us A, B, C to bottom. Unless the market just keeps on going down, which, you know, people will say that's the reason it sold off, but I literally only follow the price action on the chart and just I figure out where I'm going to get in, where I'm going to get stopped out, where do I think it's going, and that is the best way to play it and completely ignore the news. If you're focused on why it's going down, oh, the market was going down big today, that's the reason it dipped, then you're going to have some biases and you're going to use your emotions to play this. I strictly looked at the chart and that's why I was profitable today. Take like an hour every night and just go through the chart and figure out what the most likely scenario is, where you're going to get stopped out. And if you do this consistently, you'll be profitable eventually because you're disciplined. But if you go into the market where you're not ready, and then some scenario hits and you just have to panic and do it on the spot, you're going to mess up and that's going to cost you money. So get yourself ready before the market opens, know what scenario is most likely, and you can make money either way in the market. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. In the comments, let me know if you want to do, if you have a ticker request you want me to do, I can do a video on any ticker you would like. Also, leave me any comments on what you think about my analysis or any questions in general, and please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.